first stop on our Portuguese holiday was the seaside town of Carvoeiro, which is famous for this pathway that sits on wooden beams at the side of a cliff. It's only 600 meters long, but offers amazing views. And one can explore the cliffs from below as well. The boardwalk ends next to this small Catholic church. From here, you can go straight to the town of Carvoeiro for lunch, which is what we did. And then, we went further east along the coast to Praia do Carvalho and decided to do a short hike from here to Benagil. This path follows the trail called Seven Hanging Valleys. But there are a lot of small pathways going all around the coast. There are also boat tours that explore the coastline from the sea. Our plan was to do the boat tour the next day. In our view, Algarve has some of the most beautiful beaches in Europe. Now this is the famous Benagil Cave. You can see it from the top of the cliffs and from a boat from underneath the cliffs. We did our boat tour the following morning with a company called Atlantis Tours. It cost us €17.50 per person, and you can find the link for this tour in the video description. They took us all around the coast between Ferragudo and Benagil. The highlight of this tour was obviously the famous Benagil Cave. But along the way there, we passed other sea caves and cliffs that also looked really interesting. And some of the things as well that we visited the day before. It is apparently even possible to see dolphins, especially during the summer season. Unfortunately for us, we didn't see any. In the end, we were lucky to make the tour before the thunderstorm began. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you at the next one.